My name's Ellie Foxton. I'm 21 years old. I'm the Cumbria Connect Nature Friendly Farming Apprentice, and I study Level 4 Countryside Management, Countryside Ranger Apprenticeship at Bridgewater Town College. The ability to be on 3 different farms, learning 3 different good farming practices, 3 different farms, it's a really good experience to have. Teaching new entrants new farming practices and being able to farm for not only people but for nature as well. Volunteering started off with, and then the apprenticeship got advertised, and the volunteering allowed me to have the experience needed to be able to secure the role. RSPB. I didn't come from farming, so I didn't have any farming qualifications. I did animal management at Aspen College, Level 3. Every day is different. No day is ever the same. There's the ability to be able to go onto the different farms and to do different bits on each site. Just go for it. If you don't have any experience, that's fine. It's not necessary. You can do volunteering to start off with, or just go for it. It's a really good opportunity that I wouldn't want to miss out on. For me, it was location. I'm not from Cumbria, I'm from Stockton, so there wasn't many jobs there at all. So I decided to take the leap and move to Cumbria. Very good. There's not a shortage of it at all. There's plenty of different farms and organisations offering land-based skills jobs. Companies such as like Ernest Trust and RSPB and other organisations that do offer land-based jobs. I think if I'd have seen it, newsletters and advertisements of future jobs, and hopefully in the future, once it's set up, as like I said, future advertisements, a newsletter that comes out to let young people know what kind of jobs are available in the area.